What if I told you that some of the world's most dangerous creatures aren't lions, sharks, or venomous snakes? Today, we're counting down the 20 most terrifying insects on our planet. From armored giants that can snap pencils in half to tiny assassins carrying deadly diseases, these creatures will change how you think about the insect world forever. Let's dive in. 20. Giant burrowing cockroach. Starting our list is Australia's gentle giant. The giant burrowing cockroach weighs up to 1.2 ounces and stretches over 3 inches long. Unlike its pest cousins, this wingless beast lives in eucalyptus forests, digging burrows up to 3 feet deep. While not dangerous to humans, its sheer size and armored appearance earn it the nickname rhinoceros cockroach. These living tanks can survive for 10 years and give birth to live young. 19. Hercules moth. With a wingspan reaching 11 inches, the Hercules moth is the world's largest moth by wing surface area. Discovered in 1876 in Australia's rainforests, these giants live an extraordinary life. As caterpillars, they feast for months, storing energy, but once they transform into moths, they never eat again. Their transparent spotted wings carry them through just a few days of life with one purpose: reproduction. 18. Jewel beetle. These living gems showcase nature's incredible engineering. Jewel beetles use microscopic structures in their shells to create dazzling, iridescent displays that confuse predators. Scientists study their optical properties to develop new materials that reflect light without pigments. While beautiful, their wood-boring larvae can devastate forests, making them both marvel and menace. 17. Tiger beetle. Meet nature's speed demons. Tiger beetles can sprint at 5 miles per hour, making them among the fastest insects relative to body size. But here's the terrifying part. They run so fast their brains can't process what they're seeing. They hunt by sprinting toward prey, stopping to relocate their target, then striking with powerful mandibles. Found on every continent except Antarctica, these metallic predators dominate insect ecosystems worldwide. 16. Macrodontia cervicornis. This South American longhorn beetle holds the record as one of Earth's largest beetles. Males sport mandibles nearly as long as their bodies, reaching total lengths over 6 inches. These massive jaws aren't for eating. They're weapons for battles with rival males. The larvae spend years boring through dead trees, growing into these armored titans that command respect from collectors and researchers alike.
15. Paper wasps. Don't let their modest size fool you. Paper wasps build intricate hexagonal nests from chewed plant fibers, creating architectural marvels. While generally docile, they become aggressive defenders when threatened. Their painful stings can trigger severe allergic reactions. More importantly, they're voracious predators, hunting caterpillars and soft-bodied insects, making them both beneficial pest controllers and potential threats. 14. Jerusalem cricket. Known as the child of the earth in Native American folklore, this cricket isn't actually a cricket at all. Its oversized human-like head and powerful mandibles have spawned countless myths. These nocturnal decomposers spend most of their lives underground, emerging only to mate or after heavy rains. While not venomous, despite local legends, their intimidating appearance and bone-crushing jaws make them truly unsettling encounters. 13. Dobson fly. The male Dobson fly sports tusks that look like medieval torture devices, but it's the aquatic larvae called hellgrammites that are the real predators. Spending up to 3 years underwater, these fierce hunters ambush prey with powerful jaws. Fishermen prize them as bait because of their aggressive nature and remarkable survival ability. Adult males live only days, using their impressive mandibles solely for mating displays. 12. Periodical cicada. Every 13 or 17 years, depending on the species, millions of cicadas emerge simultaneously from underground in one of nature's most spectacular events. Scientists believe their prime-numbered life cycles evolved to avoid predator synchronization. These living time capsules spend over a decade feeding on tree roots before erupting en masse, creating deafening choruses reaching 100 decibels. Their sudden appearance can overwhelm entire ecosystems. 11. Asian giant hornet. The murder hornet lives up to its terrifying reputation. At 2 inches long with a 3-inch wingspan, these orange-headed giants can destroy entire honeybee colonies in hours, decapitating bees and feeding their bodies to larvae. Their quarter-inch stinger delivers venom potent enough to kill humans. In Japan, they cause 30 to 50 deaths annually. Recent appearances in North America have sparked urgent eradication efforts. 10. Fire ants. These South American invaders have conquered much of the southern United States since arriving in the 1930s. Fire ants attack in coordinated swarms, injecting alkaloid venom that causes excruciating burning sensations and dangerous pustules. Their colonies house over 200,000 workers who aggressively defend territory, posing threats to wildlife, livestock, and humans. Their resilience makes complete eradication nearly impossible. 9. Locusts. When conditions align, ordinary grasshoppers transform into one of humanity's oldest nightmares. Locust swarms can stretch hundreds of miles, containing billions of insects that consume everything in their path. A single square mile of locusts eats as much daily as 20,000 people. The 2020 East African swarms devastated crops across multiple countries, causing widespread famine and economic collapse. 8. Africanized bees. Created by accident in 1950s Brazil, these killer bees resulted from crossbreeding African and European honeybees. While their venom isn't stronger, Africanized bees attack in massive numbers and pursue threats for miles. They've caused hundreds of deaths across the Americas since escaping quarantine. Their unpredictable aggression and rapid territorial expansion make them ongoing public health concerns. 7. Titan beetle. Deep in the Amazon lurks the Titan beetle, reaching 7 inches of pure terror. Its mandibles can snap pencils and inflict serious wounds. Despite extensive searching, scientists have never found its larva, though they estimate these mysterious giants must be enormous. Adult titans don't feed at all, surviving entirely on stored energy while seeking mates. Their thick armor and threatening hiss make them living fortresses. 6. Brown recluse spider. This unassuming spider packs a medical nightmare in its bite. Brown recluses hide in dark spaces, attacking only when threatened. Their venom contains enzymes that destroy tissue, potentially causing extensive necrosis requiring skin grafts or amputation. While fatalities are rare, the psychological terror of discovering these violin-marked spiders in homes across the central United States keeps people checking their shoes and bedding. 5. Assassin caterpillar. Brazil's Lonomia obliqua caterpillar is a walking death sentence, disguised as harmless tree bark. Its bristles inject anticoagulant venom that prevents blood clotting, causing victims to bleed internally until organs fail. In the 1980s, mysterious deaths across southern Brazil were traced to accidental contact with these camouflaged killers. Fortunately, scientists developed specific antivenoms, but the caterpillar remains one of the world's most dangerous insects. 4. Kissing bugs. These blood-feeding insects earn their name by biting sleeping victims around the mouth and eyes. But the real horror comes from their feces, which contain parasites causing Chagas disease. This silent killer can remain dormant for years before attacking the heart and digestive system. Over 6 million people across Latin America live with this incurable infection, making kissing bugs among the world's most medically significant insects. 3. Disease-carrying ticks. Recent research suggests we've underestimated tick dangers. Beyond Lyme disease and Rocky Mountain spotted fever, scientists discover new tick-borne pathogens regularly. Some cause mysterious flesh-eating conditions that baffle medical professionals. These opportunistic parasites can't jump or fly, but their patience is legendary, waiting years for the perfect host while carrying cocktails of deadly diseases. 2. Tsetse fly. In sub-Saharan Africa, flies the size of houseflies carry one of humanity's most feared diseases. Tsetse flies transmit sleeping sickness through their saliva, causing fever, confusion, and eventually death if untreated. What makes them terrifying is their persistence. Both male and female flies feed on blood, and they can sense hosts from great distances. Despite control efforts, they remain active disease vectors across 36 African countries. 1. Anopheles mosquito.
The world's deadliest insect doesn't roar or have massive mandibles. The female Anopheles mosquito silently spreads malaria, killing over 600,000 people annually, mostly children under 5. These tiny vampires have shaped human history, influencing everything from empire boundaries to genetic evolution. Despite billions spent on eradication efforts, they continue adapting to pesticides and anti-malarial drugs, securing their position as humanity's most lethal adversary. Conclusion: from armored giants to microscopic disease carriers, these 20 insects prove that size doesn't determine danger. While some inspire awe with their incredible adaptations, others remind us that the smallest creatures often pose the greatest threats. The insect world continues evolving, and scientists regularly discover new species with even more extraordinary abilities. Which of these terrifying insects surprised you most? Let us know in the comments, and subscribe for more incredible wildlife content. Until next time, keep exploring the natural world, but maybe check your surroundings first.